Good morning students. In this video we are going to start our new chapter, that is chapter number 15. The name of the chapter is From Market to Home, from standard 4 subject Environment. Kids, many of you have visited market and you have seen that many people are selling vegetables and fruit. But do you know from where these vegetables and fruits come? How these vegetables and fruit sellers manage to bring such a huge amount of fruits and vegetables to the market, and how they manage to come much earlier before we go to buy the fruits and vegetables. So in this video we are going to see how these vegetable sellers and their families start their days and prepare for the day. Okay, so let's start. All of you open page number 114 in your environment textbook, chapter 15, From Market to Home. Here one reading section is there. My name is Vaisali. Here one girl is there whose name is Vaisali. My father is a vegetable seller and her father is a vegetable seller. My mother, Bhai, Chotu and I help father with his work. Here Vaisali, her mother, her younger brother, her elder brother are helping her father to his work. Can you guess at what time we begin our work? Can you guess at what time they begin or they start their work? At 3 o'clock in the morning. They start their work at 3 o'clock in the morning. When most people are fast asleep, we start our work. When we are sleeping at 3 a.m. Most of us are sleeping. They start their work, taking out the previous vegetables from the gunny bags and basket and arrange them. Now what they are doing, they are taking out the previous day's vegetables from the gunny bags and arranging them. On the other hand, preparation of bringing the fresh vegetables from the mandi. Sometimes Chotu also help us. Now on the other side, they are preparing to go to the mandi to bring fresh vegetables. Do you know what mandi means? Mandi means a big vegetable market or a wholesale market for vegetables. From this mandi, different vegetable sellers, malls and street sellers bring their or buy their vegetables and they sell to us. But how this mandi gets fruits and mandi sellers get fruits and vegetables? They get directly from the फार्मर्स. वो लोग कहाँ से वेजिटेबल्स लेते हैं? वो लोग डायरेक्टली फार्मर्स से वेजिटेबल्स लेते हैं. एंड जो हमारे फ्रूट्स एंड वेजिटेबल्स है वो डायरेक्टली मंडी में आते हैं एंड देन जो वेजिटेबल सेलर्स है वो मंडी से अपने फ्रूट्स एंड वेजिटेबल्स हमें सेल करने के लिए बाई करते हैं. As soon as we had our tea, after finishing the work, we heard the horn of a tempo. As they finished their tea, they heard the sound of a tempo or horn of a tempo. It is time for father, bhaiya, uncle and some others from our street to leave for the mandi. Now they are going to, now her father, her bhaiya, uncle and some other vegetable sellers from their street, they are going to buy vegetables from the mandi. Here one question is there. Does anyone in your house get up very early? What time does he or she get up? Why do they need to get up so early? क्या आपकी फैमिली में कोई ऐसा है जो मॉर्निंग में बहुत जल्दी उठ जाता है? और अगर हाँ तो कौन है? कितने एट व्हाट टाइम दे गेट अप एंड वाई डू दे नीड टू गेट अप? और उन्हें क्यों जल्दी उठना पड़ता है? सो यस, आपकी जो मम्मी है वो जल्दी उठ जाती है ना. क्यों जल्दी उठती है? टू प्रिपेयर योर ब्रेकफास्ट एंड टू पैक लंच बॉक्स फॉर यू एंड शी ऑल्सो गेट्स you ready for school. Next, preparing for the day. Mother, Chotu and I put the previous day's vegetables in gunny bag and sprinkle some water on them. Here Vaisali's mother and her brother Chotu is taking out the vegetables from the gunny bag and sprinkling some water to the vegetables so that they look fresh. By 6:30 a.m. father is back from the mandi with basket and sacks full of fresh vegetables. By 6:30 a.m. her father is back from the mandi. At that time our house looked more like a small vegetable market. अभी क्या उसके पापा इतने सारे वेजिटेबल्स और फ्रूट्स लेके आए हैं, तो उनका घर जब वो लोग सब अरेंज करते हैं तो कैसा एक स्मॉल वेजिटेबल मार्केट के जैसे दिखता है. There are brinjals, potatoes, tomatoes, okra. Okra means bhindi, lady's finger. Pumpkin, gourds, chilies and many other vegetables all around. Everybody helps in sorting out the vegetables. Here sorting is the important things for this vegetable sellers. वो लोग क्या करते हैं? They sort out the vegetables according to fresh vegetables and previous day vegetables, and they also sort out vegetables like the vegetables that are ripe or that are rotten, or the vegetables that are not ready to sell in the market. They kept aside so that they can sell them tomorrow. The vegetables which are not fully ripe and not ready to sell are kept aside. Look, the vegetables which are not fully ripe and not ready to sell, they keep these vegetables aside. We have to sort out vegetables fast so as to reach the market as early as possible. So they have to sort out these vegetables very fast so that her father can reach the market as early as possible. By 7 o'clock father arranges all the vegetables on the handcart and leaves for the market. By 7 o'clock her father has arranged all the vegetables on the handcart and leaves for the market. He says that if he is late, then his regular buyers may buy their vegetables from someone else. वो क्या बोल रहा है कि अगर वो लेट हो जाएगा वेजिटेबल्स लेके जाने में, तो जो उसके रेगुलर बायर्स हैं वो किसी और से अपने वेजिटेबल्स खरीद लेंगे. As soon as father leaves, I quickly get ready as I have to reach school by 6:30 a.m. As soon as her father leaves for the market, now Vaisali also gets ready to reach school, and her school starts at 7:30 a.m. That's it, students. We will continue in our next video. Thank you.